Morning team, it's April 24th, Monday, new week, new money, new focus, everything fresh. Okay, basically the month end with this week, so you need to be aware what the month and the same week, because there may be shenanigans around the end of the week. I don't see any crazy red news. There's no FOMC, no NFP, no ECB. But yeah, there should be some action, no? Today is just 10 o'clock Central East Time, some German thing. Okay, charts. Why I say that you need to be aware? Because, let me tell you something. We got 4 days left, well, 5 days considering today, and right now the monthly look like a raid. So if they can easily try to make a raid, you know, like they want to keep a raid, and bears is gonna try to push down just for days left. Also, I mean, look at this. Last week closed as a perfect doji. What does a doji means? Doji means that there is a perfect equilibrium between buyers, sellers, and they come back at equilibrium, you know? There is nobody's winning, okay? So what does a doji means when you see one? That equilibrium means that there is a undecisedness. I don't know if this is like a correct word, but like prices undecide where to go. There is not too much demand, not too much what do you say? Offer, demand, and supply. Sorry, supply. Yeah, forgot the word. Yeah, so there is not much demand, not much supply. So this is it. It's equilibrium. Why I like these dojis? Because dojis usually are in reversal areas. Look at this. Doji, equilibrium, and then we went down. I mean, not like extremely down, but 400 pips. Look at this. Doji, reversal. Doji, reversal. So I don't think I need to continue. Doji, reversal. You know? It's not like a law that every time you see a doji, price is gonna revert. But there's a high probability that it's gonna revert. Because look at this, 2 dojis. 1, 2, you know? 2 doji, then price went down, then somebody started to buy again. So I like to mark them out and to be aware. Also, what I said about price being undecided. Look at this, guys. This is like 1, 2, 3, 4. Now is the 5th day that we are inside last week Monday. This is bad. Not bad, but it's like super rangy. Like I mean, we are in a 90 pip range, and we're going up and down, up and down, up and down. What does that mean what does that say to me? That there is a lot of liquidity below and above Monday of last week. So if I see one side swept and then we instantly go back into the range, I think we're going to go back to the other side. This is called like inside day strategy from Tom Dante. I didn't invent, or ECT didn't invent that. You can go and check Tom Dante idea about that. It's called, let me write here so you want to see. Inside day strategy. Well, maybe if you are around, I explain later in the chat group if anybody is interested. But anyway, if I see this, and then I see strongly coming down, then I know we're gonna go for the lows. If I see that, we go for these lows, and then instantly up, I know we're gonna go for the highs, you know, because now there is a range and it's gonna be an AMD basically. But just if you see a nice absorption. So let's go to our charts. Yeah, as I said, doji here, we still are in a raid. Daily still up. Weekly start to feel like a little bit not bullish anymore. but it's too soon to say. I not become bearish just because 2 weeks ago we closed as a raid and we have a doji, you know. I need some high time frame confirmation, like a daily BMS, H12 BMS, for me to become bearish. Anyway, okay. So, okay, what we got here? I mean, it's a little bit tricky. It's not clear. Here we got somehow like some sort of curve. Looks to me like price is curving up. Also, daily is still up. H12 is still up. Looks like it's curving up, you know. Also, look at this. This is not a raid. Even if it's Asia, and I don't like Asia price action, but they close as a BMS on H4. Same thing on H1. Still breaking up. But I'm aware that there is a huge ton of liquidity below this one. So who knows, maybe they're gonna come back in next week, maybe they're gonna come back today. Let's see. For now, I think all the hourly time frames are still pushing up, so I don't see any reason to be extra bearish. I know that real structure is down on H4. We discussed this last week many times. Bearish, bearish, bearish. And this origin right now is holding, but I'm happy with the recent flow. A recent flow is pushing up. Let me show you. Oh Lord. Recent hourly is pushing up, so it can easily keep going up. Okay. Also, look at this. This resistance. Hold price once, this rejection 2, 3, 4. I mean, if they're gonna get tested again, I don't think it's gonna keep holding. You know what I mean? So if we push at some point today up, I think this thing gonna give up and finally break up. And there are reasons to go up. This untested origin, fair value gaps here. So I start to trade in 3 minutes when it's Frankfurt open. Let's check a low time frame and be done with it. So M15 flow is currently down. You don't need a genius to see that. But as I said, all the hourly time frames are up. For me to become bearish, we need to close below. Look at this M15 candle. I think it didn't even got tested. Yeah, look at this. This origin didn't got tested on Friday. Look. Yeah. For me to become bearish on hourly too, I need to price to close below this area. So this is a pivotal area. If you ask me, I think we need to keep pushing higher. I think we are kind of curving up. I know that there is a lot of liquidity below here, but daily is still up. The recent flow of hourly structure is up. I think we need to push higher. I think this bearish origin not going to hold. Look at this. There is still the volume imbalance here from last week. No, yeah, from 2 weeks ago. I think we need to push higher. I would love if they can set up longs, but you know, price being really rangy when it's like that rangy. I like for them to go in discount. You know, when it's so slow, it's better not chase price and take a loss here, and then maybe the long idea was right and they come back down and just to push it. Look at what they did all the week, all past week. 1 second, let's not make it dirty. All past week they did the same. Origin and push it. Origin and push it. Origin and push it. So maybe today we're gonna come back in origin and push it. You know what I mean? So I would love if we get some discount in order to push it and some bullish setup in this area. If we start to push him from here, yes, highly possible. And as I said, if this other block gives up, then I become extra bearish and I don't know what's going on, what's going to happen. So today I'm gonna be at charts most of the day. Tomorrow, as I said, I got my mom visiting me for 1 week until Sunday. So I'm gonna be at charts only London Open, make the morning video, and then trading just couple hours and spending some family time. So that's enough for me today, guys. I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye.